This domestic scan provides an overview of recently implemented deck alternative materials, design methodology, construction and curing regimens, and other parameters affecting concrete deck longevity used by construction agencies in the United States and abroad. The domestic scan will identify best practices and lessons learned from a design and construction of bridge decks using different materials and construction practices in different environmental conditions and exposures. The information collected will allow states to improve bridge deck performance with a better understanding of suitability of different alternatives to transportation projects. Furthermore, it is important to assess the short and long-term performance of bridge decks and to validate the current design guidelines under different service loadings and environmental conditions. Major takeaways from the SCAN group were targeted concrete mix design, use of shrinkage reducing admixtures, internal curing can be very efficient, use of fiber reinforcement for crack mitigation and control, corrosion resistant reinforcement for better durability, use of UHPC connections, link slabs, or as overlays to attain long-term durability, and also non-proprietary UHPC mixes and multiple vendors to provide a decrease of cost of UHPC. The SCAN team was compromised by multitude of states, among which were Georgia, Washington DOT, New Jersey DOT, North Carolina DOT, Indiana DOT, South Carolina DOT, Minnesota DOT, Utah DOT, Caltrans, Texas Department of Transportation, Delaware DOT, Michigan DOT, New York DOT, and FHWA, and our principal investigator, Pinar Akumis, a subject matter expert. One of the more important discussions we had was the training of the workforce, but other practices that a lot of the SCAN team members are excited to implement are fiber and concrete mixes, innovations also to track and inform making and continuity of workforce, making sure we're tracking these innovations and having planning and owner involvement and in the use of innovations to make sure these are long-term solutions.